Hello everyone. Today we'll be working on web scraping with the help of BeautifulSoup. First of all, we'll discuss about what BeautifulSoup is. It is a Python library that is used for web scraping, and its purpose is to pull the data out of XML and HTML files. And what BeautifulSoup does is it creates a parser tree from page source code that can be used to extract data in hierarchical or the readable manner. What parse is? Parse is a command that is used for dividing the given program code into small piece of code so that we can analyze the correct syntax, and it is also used to convert string data from one format to another, for example CSV file. Then is here we have installed our BeautifulSoup with the help of Python, and we will run it, and the requirement has already been satisfied. Then we will import request. Here it is a library. Here we can fetch the content from URL given, and BeautifulSoup library helps to parse it and fetch details the way we want. And after running the command, we'll jump to next command. The next command is about res is equal to request.get, and this is the website that we are currently scraping. I'll show you here. This is the website Goodreads. This website has author with the given quotations, you can see, and this is the URL that we will be using for scraping. Okay, the request.get, it is a method that sends a get request to the specified URL, and here the specified URL is Goodreads. And then we have to print the res.text. The purpose of this res.text, it returns the content of response in unicode. It refers to the binary response content, and Python requests are generally used to fetch the content from a particular resource URL. And here the HTML file, we can see this is the class, the span, everything is given here, the author details. After that, we'll go to next command. It is soup is equal to BeautifulSoup res.text XML. The purpose of this command is, first we'll talk about the XML. It is that it can make the use of BeautifulSoup as a parser backend. I discussed about what parser is. It is a Python library which it allows for easy handling of XML and HTML files that we have been using here for the web scraping. Then coming to the next command, it is quote is equal to soup.find. Here we have to find the class. About, suppose we have given many classes here, I'll be working on quote details. We'll find the class here in HTML doc file, code details. Here the class name is quote details. Now we can see what is inside it. Left align image, the authors show this name is Jackson Brown, and the image is also given. Now we have to run the command. I use this thing, and after that again I used another class, that is quote footer, then the another quote text. Then we'll print these commands, and we'll find that the code details are given here, the footer and the code text, everything is given here, and the likes, they are also present. Then we'll find the span. Quote is equal to soup.find underscore all span class, and we have to mention the class here. And first we'll discuss about what actually span is. Span in HTML, it is used to group elements for styling purposes, and it is also used as a tag in inline container that is used to mark up a part of text or the part of a document that we'll be using in the website. So I have used author or title, and the spam we'll find through HTML. We can see here the spam is given, spam, and in this there is a class how to find spam, spam ID, code, book, link, and class. Inside class we have been given author title, and so I have used it here. Author title, only one span is given in this website, so we will be using only one span. And then run, we have to print. Actually first we have to do this. Okay, now we can see the author names: J.K. Rowling, Albert Campus, Mark Twain, C.S. Lewis, and many more authors are available here. Then coming to next command, we have used this find author or title. Then by mistake I skipped this previous page disabled spam. In this previous page disabled, we'll be able to find the previous page that has been disabled using the BeautifulSoup command. Okay, and then when we'll be printing it, first run the command, and here the result, the previous. So this is just a beginner guide for web scrolling with the help of BeautifulSoup. Thank you.